In problem 30, we have an application of a rational function. You and your family are driving to San Diego on a road trip. From Phoenix, the trip is 354.5 miles according to Google. Answer the following questions based on the situation. Use the relationship distance equals rate times time, or d equals rt, to write a rational function t of r that has the average rate of travel r in miles per hour as its input and the time of travel in hours as its output. The distance will be a constant 354.5 miles. That was incredibly wordy. Essentially, what we want to do is solve this equation for t. We want t to equal something. So I'm going to start by writing the original distance equals rate times time. We want to get t all by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by r. Now, rewriting this in function notation, actually before we do that, I am going to put the distance in. The distance is a constant, is 354.5 miles. R is our independent variable. T is the function of r. So this is what they're looking for. They want t all by itself, and they want r to be the independent variable. The distance remains the same no matter how fast you go. If you average 60 miles per hour, how long will the trip take? So what we want to do here is we want to find t of 60. We want to plug 60 in for r. I'm going to plug that into my calculator. So 354.5 divided by 60 equals about 5.9. What does this mean in a complete sentence? Traveling at 60 miles per hour, the trip takes 5.9 hours. About 5.9 hours. If the trip took 10 hours, what was your average rate of travel? So here, we're going to set our equation 354.5 over r equal to 10. We're going to multiply both sides by r. Divide both sides by 10. And we get r equal to 35.45 miles per hour, which is really slow for a road trip. I would not enjoy that one single bit. So, if the trip took 10 hours, the average rate, or the average speed, was 35.45 miles per hour.